In this problem, you will graph a hyperbola. What is the graph of the equation x squared minus y squared equals 9? What are its lines of symmetry? What are the domain and range? Make a table of values. Solve the equation for y and substitute each x value into that equation. Substitute -5 for x. When x equals -4, y equals positive and -2 6/10. When x equals -3, y equals 0. Substitute -2 for x. When x equals -2, y is undefined since the square root of -5 is not a real number. Continue to substitute the x values into the equation to find the corresponding y values. Plot the points and connect them with smooth curves. How will you know which points to connect? Plot enough points so you see a pattern. Only connect points if you know that the points between them satisfy the equation. First, plot the points with -x values. The graph is a hyperbola that consists of two branches. The hyperbola's center is at the origin. It has two lines of symmetry, the x-axis and the y-axis. The domain is the set of real numbers x that are less than or equal to -3 or greater than or equal to 3. The range is the set of real numbers.